Where is the DGP?
Likely that as soon as page 4 of the
Director General of Police Bihar Patna has filed supplementary counter affidavit. Para 12 reads as
It
under.
is stated under
In para 12 he has stated
that it is further clarified that the DG board in its meeting dated 15/6/2020 had withdrawn its earlier recommendation regarding petitioner's name for promotion from the rank of Inspector of Police to the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police. Provide detailed information pending vigilance case number 21 dated against him, on which he admitted the facts of the said case while his later dated 11/11/2019.
correct, but there is no. You have admitted. Show cause notice has not been issued
That is there.
because 311(2) does not provide for it.
311(2) is your lordship for departmental proceeding. This was with respect to reversion and granting promotion with condition.
No,
We have
even otherwise, rightly or wrongly, his right is affected. If reversion is ordered, that his salary would be reduced. In that event, he is entitled to show cause notice.
We have issued show cause.
Where is the consideration?
Consideration if my lord will get the.
Where is the consideration in the reversion order? In both the cases, he should be charge sheeted. In that event only, you can postpone or defer.
My lord. My
Show
lord.
me then the charge memo. What is the date of issuance of charge memo? Where is the DGP?
my lords, the page 4 of the order, whereby my lords have directed that before taking action of reversion, my lords, a show cause notice is required to be given. And my lords, matter relating to ad hoc promotion from Sub-Inspector of Police to Inspector of Police, that has to be considered by the board. My lords, so far, in the light of my lords, the government resolution dated 11/9/2000, my lords, the matter has been referred to the board, and the board has decided the issue with reference to the government resolution. We have in the LPA a point has been raised, my lords.
No, what action has been taken pursuant to this order?
Pursuant to the order, so far as ad hoc promotion is concerned, my lords, the matter has been referred to the promotion board. That is a DPC, a DG, that is called a DG board, Director General Board. So the matter was referred to the Director General Board to consider the ad hoc promotion case, and my lords, the Director General Board considered it, and my lords, a decision was taken that under the this government resolution 11/9/2002, it is not admissible.
11/9/2002.
11/9/2000, it is not admissible.
It is not admissible. That a decision has been taken by the
board. By the board, DG board.
That means they have admitted. Then that means they have admitted they that they have committed error.
With regard to ad hoc promotion. With regard to ad hoc promotion.
To the extent that the petitioner is entitled to ad hoc promotion in the cadre of police inspector in terms of para 5 of the order.
Para 5. So it has been considered as per paragraph 5. And paragraph 5.
Have you issued a notice to the petitioner?
Lords, DPC stage, lords. It is grant of promotion, lords.
Correct, sir. This court has directed for issuance of notice and obtaining explanation. Thereafter, proceed to pass order.
My lords, that was with respect to grant for reversion. So reversion action is to be taken by the department. That has not yet been initiated. Lords, reversion action, when it is initiated,